Good day everyone, welcome again to the next tutorial section of this CSS. We have been talking about CSS so far. We have covered many of these tutorials. So you guys, today we are going to CSS outline, text, font, icon and link. How do we add icon? How do we add outline? How do we add text? How do we add fonts in our CSS? So that is the area section we are going to cover in this particular area. So let's go dive into CSS outline. What is outline? We all know what is outline mean. An outline is a line drawn outside the element and the element border. The elements has a black border and a green outline with a width of 10 pixels. So this is a sample of what we are talking about in this particular class. So we can see an outline is a line that is drawn around our element outside the element border to make the element stand out, so that people will understand the element will stay on its own. People will be able to once you put outline there, it will be eye catches and people can easily see it. Now CSS add the following outline property. We have the outline style, outline color, outline width, outline offset, outline and the outline. So we are going to be talking about all those styles in this particular area. Note, outline differs from border. Unlike borders, the outline is drawn outside the element border and may overlap other content also. The outline is not part of the element's dimension. The outline, the element total weight and height are not affected by the weight of the outline. So they are totally different from the border. We can see border. This is border and this is outline. So it's just like I write a text and I add outline to it. So we can see it now. The outline style property specify the style of the outline and can have one of the following follow. It can have one of the following follow. We have dotted, define a dotted outline. We have dash, define a dotted outline. We have solid, define a solid outline. We have double. The double also define a double outline. We have a groove, define a 3D groove outline. We have reach, define a 3D reach outline. Insert, design a 3D insert outline. Outset, define a 3D outset outline. No outline, design a no outline. Then hidden, define a hidden outline. The following example show us the outline style. Let's go to the first one. You can see it now. Demonstration of the different outline style. So let's see the result. We can see it now. Wow, the first one is the dotted, the other one is the dash, the other one is solid outline, the other one is double, the other one is a groove. We can see the groove, we can see the reach, we can see the insert, we can see the outset outline, how they work. You can see how they work. So that is how they work. So let's take the outline width. Let's see how it works. So the outline width property specify the width of an outline and can have one of the following follow. The tiny, maybe let's say 1 pixel, the medium, let's say 3 pixel, the thick, typical 5 pixel is specified. Size, you can use pixel, you can use point, you can use centimeter, you can use em. The following example show outline with different weight, that's different size, different dimension. You can see it now. You can see it both for paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 4. Let's try it and let's see the result of what is happening. You can see it now, the example of how the outline work. You can see the example of how the outline work with Y3 School try it editor. Now we can see it now in our HTML document. You can easily style our paragraph. Can style our paragraph and put it there. So you can see it now. You can see our outline. You can see how it works for the first one, for the first two, for the first three, and for the third or for the fourth one. So you can see it now. You can see the 3 heads. You can see by increasing the size. You can see the outline is 4 pixels. The third one is 4. This one is medium, and that one is tiny. So these are the difference between the outline. We can see it now. Then we have the color. You can also put color to our outline. You can decide that you want to use green color or red color in the particular. You can see it now, outline. I may decide to put let me go to my code editor and decide to put my paragraph. Let me give it outline color. I decide to give it outline color. Let me give it blue. Alright, let's save it. Let's go to our live preview. I will click on live preview. Okay, I've closed the live preview before. Let me start again. Let me go live. I will give my H1. Okay, let's just now we are going to see our outline now. Let's check which color did you give our outline. Outline color, paragraph blue. Why is it not showing? Okay, let's check. Let's check our H1 outline color. Let me do it like this, blue. Let me save it. Okay guys, see, this is the outline. This is the outline. Normally we're supposed to put it in the internal CSS. In the internal CSS, we're supposed to put in the internal CSS in the particular places. So I'm going to add, if I still want to do it, I'll just add style and put my P. I'll just put that is outline color. I will put, let me say, blue. Actually I don't want to really use it. I'm just trying to show it to us. That's why it's not showing in this particular code. If I want to, I need to rewrite it the way they write their code in this particular place and use this stuff. So we also have usual CSS outline shorthand, just like the way we explain the margin and the padding too. We have the outline. You can easily see the shorthand. The outline shorthand property is short for setting the following individual outline. We have the outline with outline style require outline out color. The outline property specify the outline specify property for 1, 2, 3, 5. For the list above, the order of the value does not matter. The following shows some outline specified with shorthand outline property. So we can see it now. We can see it with shorthand. We just outline instead of writing outline button, outline this and that. This is the shortline and it's bring it out. We are going to write paragraph.es1, es2, es3, es4 and put our star in the front. So this is how to use outline, and that is where we are going to stop in this particular tutorial, because we still have a long way to go on this tutorial so that we can explain more further on how to use CSS. We can see the offset. You can see the offset. You can see it now. You can see the outline. It's giving more space and it's giving more border around it. That is offset for you. That is offset for you. Add space between the outline and the edge of the border, so we can see it how it works. It adds space between the border and the outline of our text or document element in the CSS. So you guys should try it out as we proceed in the CSS tutorial class. If you have any question, you can ask me and I will respond in the comment section. And make sure that you share this video to your loved one, the people that need it, people that want to join our community as a web designer. You can comment in the comment section. We'll be added to our YouTube community where you can support us. All right, thank you guys. See you next time.